Think building a website is slow, stressful, or expensive? Meet the AI tools that make it effortless, fast, and surprisingly fun. Designing a website used to mean battling endless options or technical headaches. Now, AI handles the hard parts for you. Step 1. Just describe your idea. AI instantly generates a sleek web layout tailored to your needs. Next, AI writes all your website copy for you, from catchy headlines to descriptive sections, ready in seconds. Customize visuals with a few clicks, drag in images, adjust colors, and your site instantly matches your brand style. Your site is live, and you did it in minutes. Ready to launch your idea today? The power is in your hands. Choosing your AI website builder. Launch a stunning website in minutes, with zero coding required. Building a website used to mean hours of design stress and steep costs. Now, AI can do it for you. Describe your vision in seconds. AI instantly suggests layouts, colors, and formats that match your needs. AI can write your headlines, product descriptions, and about page with just a few clicks. From portfolio to store, you can launch a ready-to-edit site for any goal instantly. Your professional website is just a few clicks away. What will you create today? Step 2. Generate your website structure and design 130 to 220. Watch how AI builds your website's foundation, faster than you ever thought possible. First, type in your business name, industry, and what makes you unique. This seeds your entire site. Navigation menus for every key page are instantly generated and organized for clarity. Personalized brand colors and font styles are suggested to match your business personality. AI crafts adaptive layouts for desktop and mobile, ensuring your site always looks professional. Each essential page is visually mapped out, with images and sections placed exactly where they belong. From a few details to a complete website structure, ready to make your brand shine. AI-powered content creation. Instantly generate all the text your website needs. Fast, clear, and customized for you. Stuck on what to write? AI tools can solve writer's block and fill your site with great content. Start with headlines. AI crafts engaging phrases that grab attention in seconds. Next, create detailed product or service descriptions. Clear, persuasive words ready for your site. Compelling About Us sections are auto-written, letting you personalize and preview instantly. Choose from multiple content options for every section. Edit, swap, or publish with one click. Live previews let you see changes in real time, ensuring your site is ready before you publish. Ready to let AI write your website? Create stronger content faster. Your edits, your style. Adding images and branding with AI. Instantly generates stunning visuals that perfectly match your brand. It's easy to get stuck searching for great images or designing a memorable logo. Let AI suggest high-quality images tailored to your content. No more endless searching. Instantly generate unique logos matched to your style and colors. Just upload your preferences. AI assembles a complete brand kit, colors, fonts, and icons, ensuring everything looks professional. Effortlessly build layouts and galleries. AI arranges images for a polished, balanced look. What will you create first with seamless, AI-powered visuals at your fingertips? Step 5. Customize features and integrations. Turn your static site into an automated business engine. Capture leads and manage appointments by adding interactive tools to your website for customer engagement. Easily insert contact forms to collect inquiries directly on your site. No coding needed. Let visitors schedule appointments instantly using built-in booking tools or automated Zapier flows. Enable live chat and AI chatbots using Tidio or ChatGPT plugins for 24/7 customer support. Set up a secure online shop in minutes with Stripe, Shopify, or hosting or e-commerce solutions. Integrate your site with social media and email to extend your reach and automate updates. Your website transforms into an interactive, automated powerhouse, ready to grow your business. SEO optimization and mobile responsiveness. These are the keys to making sure your audience finds you. If your site isn't optimized, search engines and mobile users can't find or use it easily. AI suggests the best keywords for your page, matching exactly what people search for online. A logical site structure helps search engines understand and rank your site more effectively. Preview your site on desktop and mobile to make sure it looks perfect on every device. Use built-in SEO tools to get instant feedback and step-by-step tips to boost your rankings. Optimization complete. Now your site's visible and ready for everyone to find. Ready to go live? Publishing your website is faster and easier than ever before. Just click Publish, one simple action, and your website is almost ready for the world. Choose your own custom domain name with a few clicks, or connect an existing one easily. Your website goes live instantly, fully functional and visible on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Automatic SSL security is built in, protecting your site and your visitors without any extra setup. Your vision is now live for the world. Publish with confidence, professional results, zero technical hassle. AI-powered website management. Your website can now update and maintain itself effortlessly. Outdated content and unexpected site issues make website management stressful and time-consuming for busy owners. AI analyzes trends and suggests fresh content ideas, keeping your website engaging and up-to-date automatically. Monitor visits and engagement in real time. AI tracks every click and presents easy-to-read insights instantly. Receive instant alerts for security or performance issues with one-click AI-powered fixes that maintain your site's health. Update images or text in seconds. AI tools deploy your corrections instantly, keeping your site fresh without delays. Get personalized AI support and smart suggestions for every page. Your digital assistant ensures continual improvement. The future of website management is intelligent. Ready to let AI keep your website running flawlessly? Expert tips, final review, and next steps. These last checks ensure your project launches smooth and professional. It's time for your expert final review. Every detail matters for your best launch yet. Tweak your brand visuals. Ensure your logo, colors, and fonts are consistent everywhere. Refresh your images and update your site copy. Keep everything current and relevant to your audience. Test every button and form on your site. Make sure each one works perfectly. Perform a quick SEO check. Verify your meta tags, alt text, and keyword usage for maximum reach. Ask for feedback from real users. Fresh eyes catch things you might miss. Review your site analytics. Look for trends and ideas to drive your next growth steps. All set? Ready to go live? Take these tips and launch your new project today. Build a pro website in minutes with AI. Instantly launch your business online. No coding or design skills needed. Starting out is tough. Costs, confusion, and time add up fast. The answer? Simple, smart AI builds. AI designs your website layout in seconds, choosing professional styles fit just for you. It writes all your text instantly, bios, services, and even catchy headlines tailored to your style. Start building your dream. Your professional website is only a few clicks away. Time to launch.